when Facebook decided, hey, I want to jump on the podcast bandwagon, I think Facebook might have been saying, I think that we need to keep people on our platform. They're going to all these other platforms. They're going to name the platform Apple, and we're losing out on attention. And so for us to get more attention, let's offer to be a hosting platform for podcasts as well. So they tried it out. Now, not very many people moved over. It didn't end up working out. They didn't put enough money behind marketing. They didn't spend enough time on it. They didn't do it right. They didn't really launch it very well. I don't think Meta's been doing everything perfectly lately. Who knows? We can save that for another thing. Anyway, Facebook ended up trying to do podcasts. And guess what? You probably never got your podcast on there. But guess what else? Our 60 clients at the time, all were on Facebook within 10 days. Within 10 days, we had 100% of our clients on Facebook. Then they went out, and that's fine. That's not proving the point or taking away from the point. The point is that you need to get on every platform that you can. Let's use another example. YouTube comes out and says, hey, we're going to be a hosting platform now too. Now, you could already have your podcast video on YouTube. You could already put even the audio as a video with a still image on YouTube. Those things already could happen. But that was never good. Being on YouTube was never that great. And why? Why wasn't it? And it's basically because, unfortunately, when somebody has a regular old YouTube channel, they're listening to your episode or they're watching your episode. Maybe they're subscribed. Who knows? Maybe they found you because somebody forwarded it to them. The point is that as they're watching your video, YouTube is gonna basically say, you should watch these other videos. And here's the sad thing. They're watching your video, and let's just pretend that you have about 150 people that have watched it. That's a pretty typical number. So you're on YouTube and 150 people watched it. And what's going to happen is YouTube's going to say, well, you should watch this other one that 70,000 people looked at, because we trust them because they have a lot of people that liked it. Or you should watch this other video with 1 million people. And so the little guy or the little girl, that person, let's just say you, who only has a certain number of downloads, and it's not over 1 million per episode on YouTube. Well, what's going to be happening is YouTube is going to push people in front of the other ones that are doing better. That's the sad thing, but that's a reality about it. So when YouTube said, hey, I'm going to have a podcast playing platform like Apple and Spotify, for example, what ended up happening is my team, within 10 days, all of our clients are now on YouTube for the audio version where people can subscribe for the podcast. So within 10 days, all of my clients, boom. And you might not have even known that Facebook ever did that. You might not have known that YouTube, as I'm recording, is currently doing that. And that's because there's a lot of reasons. You're not doing all of your research and you're not finding out how to do all this. But working with our team, we are always trying to find out where all the platforms are.